Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Simple Solutions. In this video I am going to explain you how to measure sand aggregate in truck. This is very important video for fresh civil engineers and civil engineering students. So don't skip it and watch the whole video. So here we go. This is the different dimensions of the truck. Height is equal to 2 meter and L1 is equal to 6 meter and L2 is equal to 5.5 meter and the breadth is 1.7 meter. It's very simple. This is the required data and the solution. We have to find the volume of dumper, and for a formula, volume of dumper length multiplied by breadth multiplied by a height. But here we have two lengths, so sorry for this one, this is plus sign. So here we have to find the average length. There's the two lengths L1 and L2. We will find the average one, which comes 5.75 multiplied by 1.7 multiplied by 2, and here comes the value 19 cubic meters. So from this value, it means this much of the sand or aggregates will come in this truck. So it's very simple, and you can use this in your practically in the field. For these kind of videos, you have to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, and this is free knowledge for you guys. You don't have to pay for this, and don't forget to click the bell icon, because for upcoming videos you will get the notifications, and you can come to our channel easily. So don't forget to click the bell icon and also share it with your friends and your classmates. Thank you very much.